In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain to Notion through a DNS setup. Imagine being able to personalize your Notion workspace with your own domain. What a professional touch. This process might seem daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's begin by heading to your Notion account. First, you want to navigate to your profile, which you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking here opens up a drop-down menu where you'll see various options tailored to your account settings. From this menu, select Settings. This section is essentially the control center for customizing your Notion environment. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the Public Pages option. By clicking on this option, you're venturing into the realm of sharing your creativity with the world. Here, you can manage what parts of your Notion workspace are visible to others, and importantly, set the stage for connecting your domain. Next, you'll see a selection labeled New Domain. Clicking this will initiate the process of associating your custom domain to Notion. A little heads up before you proceed, this feature requires that you've upgraded from the free plan. If you're currently using a free account, you'll need to upgrade to enable this handy feature. After clicking New Domain, you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you intend to use. This is your way of stamping your digital footprint on the vast landscape of the internet. Once you've entered your domain name, follow the on-screen instructions provided by Notion to complete the setup. This will typically involve adjusting some DNS records with your domain registrar. If you're unfamiliar with DNS settings, they essentially act as an internet phone book, translating your domain name into an IP address that can be found and accessed online. When you access your registrar's website, you'll typically need to log in and locate the DNS settings for your domain. You'll often be asked to add CNAME or A records to ensure that your domain properly points to your Notion page. Each registrar may have a slightly different interface, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the appropriate section. If at any point you're unsure, many registrars offer step-by-step tutorials tailored to their interface, or you could reach out to their support team. Having a custom domain linked to your Notion page not only enhances your brand's presence, but also ensures that your workspace is uniquely yours. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've linked your domain to Notion, giving your workspace a professional and customized appearance. With this setup, your Notion pages become more than just documents. They transform into a personalized and professional digital masterpiece. Thanks for watching.